I hope everyone can see my screen. No? Right? Okay.
Yes, I visible.
Okay. So today, we're gonna discuss software management. Okay. In this software management, we can also call it as package management. Okay. What is mean by package management? What is mean by like software management? Right. So actually, um, here in the Linux, software means we call it as a package, one pack. It will be include all the libraries, modules, and everything will be a pack. Okay, it will be in the form of like for example .rpm. It means Red Hat Package Manager. Okay, Red Hat Package Manager. Okay, so this is like a the extension would be .rpm. So for example, there is any package. For example, for FTP server, VSFTPD is a package. FTP means file transfer protocol. Like from one server to another server, if you want to copy the files, you require VSFTPD. For example, you have a directory. Okay, you wanted to share among all the servers. Okay, which means in the network you wanted to share. Okay, for example, simple thing, if you take Google Drive, you upload files, and if I want to share those files, what I'll do for that Google Drive, whatever the directory that I created, I'll just give you permission. I'll add you your email ID, I'll add you there, so that you'll have access to those files, right? In a simple way, you if you want to do it, we have NFS, network file system. Okay, for this, like, we have one package. It's called like for one software means one package kind of. Okay, it could be like multiple dependencies for each package. For example, VSFTPD is the main package, there will be multiple dependencies. For NFS, there will be multiple dependencies. Okay, dependent packages kind of, right? So something like that. So one software can be uh, I mean combination of multiple packages. Okay, so either we can call it as software management or package management. So in this, actually, in the aspect of Linux admin, we learn how to install a package. We learn how to uninstall, how to upgrade, how to update, and query about package. Okay, I'll tell you like what is install actually. You know installation, right? So if you are going to install any software or game or anything in the Windows, how you will do? You just double click on the exe files and then you will install, right? Here also we can install using the RPM. There are two tools actually. So in the Red Hat, one is RPM, another one is EM. These are the two commands we have. Okay, so with this, what is mean by installation, right? So install in the sense, whenever you install a package, so slash lib is a place where we can see all the libraries, right? You will place all libraries in the slash lib, and slash bin actually is the place where we can see all user related commands, right? So all those commands, if you are installing a package, if there are any commands related to that, it will keep it in the slash bin directory. If there are super user binaries, it means like super user commands, if there are any, like, it will keep in the slash has been, right? And something like that, right? So it will keep all the respective files. For example, uh, if it is having any configuration files, okay, it will keep it in the slash etc. Okay, something like that. So whenever you install a package, it will keep respective files in respective directories. All the libraries will be placed here, and binaries and super user binaries, and then all the configuration files, etc., etc. What are all the things which are present, it will keep in those respective partitions. That is what installation. Whenever you uninstall a package, it deletes, actually it deletes all the files, all the files from all file systems. Okay, this all the file system, right? Wherever it keeps the file, right? What all the files it will keep, right? All those files it will delete actually. That is what uninstall. Okay, what is upgrade, what is update. Okay, so upgrade, two things actually. So update means, okay, so it will update a package, and we can downgrade also if required. We can downgrade if required. Okay, but actual upgrade means it will upgrade the package. It will upgrade the package, but we cannot downgrade. But we cannot downgrade actually. In simple terms, actually, for example, 2.0 to 2.3.0, if you upgrade, okay, we cannot downgrade it. If you take like for the update, if you upgrade for 2.0 to like 2.7, for example, we can downgrade. This is actually minor release. This is actually 2.0 to 3.0. It is major release. This is minor, right? So we can downgrade, but if you upgrade, we cannot downgrade. Just keep it in mind. Okay. And next, query about package. Okay. So if you want to know the details, if you want to know the details about package, okay, what are the details and all, like I'll tell you a bit later. Okay, if you want to query about the package, you can query also. Okay, these are the five things that you need to keep it in mind. Okay, now I'll show you, like I'll talk about Red Hat for now. Okay, in Red Hat actually there are two tools. One is RPM and another one is M. Okay, RPM means Red Hat Package Manager. M means Yellow Dog Update Modifier. Okay, Yellow Dog Update Modifier. Okay, this is the one. And if you talk about SUSE, there are two things here. Okay, so same as RPM, and one more is Jaipur. It is advanced one. Okay, so actually RPM will be there across all the flavors like Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, and all. Okay, so M also, M will be in the Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora. RPM always like it will be SUSE, it will be in the Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, Debian. Everywhere we can use these RPM packages. Okay, so even this Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu flavor. So if you take RPM, how to install, how to uninstall, and all, I'll just discuss bit later. Okay. So in SUSE actually, Jaipur is the command, right? So in SUSE, Jaipur install package name to install the package, Jaipur remove package name to remove the package, and Jaipur update package name to update the package. Okay, so if you take Ubuntu, here we use apt command or aptitude command. So apt get package name to get the package, I mean it will also get it and install, and apt install package name also it will install, apt remove package name it will remove actually, apt update also we can run to update the package, either apt or aptitude, anything you can use it. Apt update package name. Okay, next Red Hat actually M. Okay, this is advanced one, like M install package name, M remove package name, M update package name, M upgrade package name, something like that. So in this actually, as part of this, we learn mostly the RPM and M with respect to the Red Hat, because we are learning mostly Red Hat commands. Okay, so next is I'll tell you like what is the package, how the package looks like. Okay, this is how the package looks like. One is VSFTPD. For example, if you take this, VSFTPD is the name of the package, and 3.0.2 is the version of it. Okay, and if I take our version now, so let's take our version here, where we can see packages. There are two things actually that you need to know, where we can see the packages. Okay, how we can get the packages mean, there are two ways actually. One is CD or DVD. If you have DVD, CD, any ISO image file, it means, or pen drive. Okay, Just ISO image file. ISO image file. You already know, right? ISO image file. Right? I'll show you. If we go to downloads, okay, and if I take this ISO image file, this is the ISO image file that I have. Let's say like I'll mount it. Okay, it is just mounting and then it will open this, open the image. Okay, it is almost 4.21 GB. If you see the size of it, right, 4.21. It is mounting. Meanwhile, let me see whether it is mounting in this PC. No, it is not mounting here. Okay, it is open. It is mounted. Okay, so here if you see, this is the one, right? If you see the packages here, there are many packages. How many packages here? 5231. You can see it here, right? 5231 items are there. 5231 packages are there. All are .rpm. You can see the extension .rpm. You can say RPM file. Type would be RPM file. Okay, so this is one way of taking the packages which you require. Even if you want to install Ansible, if you want to install some other like third-party packages, RPM packages. For example, if you want to install like big data applications which are they are releasing .rpm packages, then you can get them, right? So something like that. So where we get the package means this is one place, and one more thing is Red Hat Satellite Server. Okay, mostly in real time, companies will have the subscription. Okay, they will take the subscription, Red Hat subscription. I'll tell you like how to take the subscription and all in bit later. I mean later sessions. Okay. So Red Hat Satellite Server, they will have subscription to it. So using subscription, uh, we can use the package. We can get the package. It means it is just centralized repository. Centralized repository mean like all the packages will be at the Red Hat side. So we will just access them using some credentials. That's it. Okay, that is what Red Hat Satellite Server. Once we take subscription, we get it actually. Okay, something like that. So this is one way. And if you have any third-party packages, if you have a packages, third-party packages, you can download. Okay, you can download and install. Okay, it could be like any app, the applications like outside. If you are getting that RPM, you can download and install. That is also one way of getting the application, getting the like packages. Okay. So how it looks like me, 3.0.2 is the version of it, right? And if I see now, what are the versions available here? Okay, LSBLK if you see, you can see SR0. SR0 is the disk, right? If you want to get this actually in the VMware, whatever the disk that you are going to add, make sure that should be connected in the system. Okay, so for example, if I take CD or DVD, I can see it is connected now, right? It is connected. So that is the reason like I'm able to see it here. That is mounted to SR0, right? SR0, and this is the file system slash run media. This is the file system. Through this we will access. If you want to mount it to different thing, for example slash mnt slash media guest file systems, right? If you want to mount it using mount command, we can mount, right? Mount slash dev slash sr0. Why slash dev here? Sr0 is the device name which is there in the slash dev, right? Slash dev slash sr0 space slash media. I'm just mounting it to slash media. So it is mounted write protected, mounting read only, because it's a CD or DVD, right? CD, right? It should mount only read only, right? That's the thing. Now if you see, we mounted read only, right? If you want to get the files, if you run lsblk now, you can see slash media, not this one, right? So something like that, you can mount it to different file system also. If you want to mount it to slash mnt, for example, okay, mount slash dev, first you need to unmount it. Okay, you mount slash media, you unmounted. If you run lsblk, it is back to slash run media. If you want to mount slash dev slash sr02 slash mlt, as you can mount it read only, right? If you run lsblk now, you can see slash mlt here, right? So that is how like you can see it. Now if you want to access those cd slash mnt, if you go, okay, cd slash mnt, okay, give ls, you can see all the things. If you see the package, all these files you can see here, right? In the windows we just mounted, right? All these directories we can see here, right? The same stuff we can see here also. Simple. Now if you see, like if you go to packages, cd packages, if you see, many of the packages will be there. I mean almost like 5000 packages which are there. I mean in this packages, all those packages will be there, 5231 packages. Here also if you want to get, how to get it, ma, how to get all the package, I mean number of packages, ll pipeline wc-l, right? 5232 total will be the right at the first screen, right? So total will be there, so that will not be the count here. So 25231 only, okay. So these many packages are there. Now if you take few packages, okay, for example these packages you have, just copy these packages, few of these packages, and if you paste it here, okay, if you see here, this is the name of the package, and this is the version of the package 3.0.2. Here for glib 1.2.7 is the version, and hyphen 27 is the update. What is the update? First update or second update, third update, something like that. Here you can see 27, here you can see 18. And EL7 is basically Enterprise Linux 7. This is EL, not E1, EL. Enterprise Linux 7. It means for Enterprise Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 version, it is released. Okay, and x86 underscore 64. This is the like compatibility, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Any of the OS we can install it, either 32-bit OS or 64-bit OS. It supports both. Okay, this is also same, right? This is the name of the package, version of the package, and update, and EL7 the version of OS version, and then last one is this one actually for which I mean it supports, right? And dot RPM is the package version, I mean extension, okay, something like that. So if you take the for few things there will be OS, there will not be OS version, because for example I wanted to download for example Ansible, okay, Ansible download, okay, okay, for Linux, installing Ansible, okay. So here if you see, you have many things here, right? We get somewhere that I need to see actually. No, it is not there. It is picking everywhere. It is picking actually. They are installing with the direct one. Okay, yeah, this is the one, right? If you take this one for this one maybe Fedora. Okay, let me just put it here. Okay, if you see here, right? So this is the link they have given, right? Latest version of something DNF they are installing. This is the link they have given for few things. Okay, what I'm trying to say, as well also developed by Red Hat. Okay, if you take any third party ones, there will not be any OS version. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so OS version basically gives only for the packages which are developed by Red Hat. Okay, but if you take third party packages or any like outside packages, .rpm packages, it will not be any OS version present there. Okay, because that is not developed by Red Hat or anyone, right? Something like that. Okay, so For few packages, there will not be OS version, which are developed by other other vendors. Okay, cool. So now I'll show you like how to install a packages. Now you understood the basic stuff, right? How to get the packages, what is the package, and what are all the commands that we have for different flavors. What is install, uninstall, update, upgrade, query about package, and all, right? So now I'll show you how to install packages. Okay. So let's say how to install packages mean. So first installation RPM, okay, RPM commands. RPM hyphen IVH package path. We can mention package path. Okay. So hyphen I means install. Okay. Hyphen H means hyphen V means verbose mode. Okay. Verbose. Hyphen H means hashing progress. Okay. So these are the three things. Okay. What is meant by I means install. Install you already know. V means verbose mode. H means hashing progress. Just use this to install the package. Okay. To uninstall. To uninstall. Any questions, anyone? Voice is breaking. Is that for everyone or? Okay. RPM hyphen EVH package path. Package name actually. Okay. So what is mean by E here? E means erase. V means verbose mode. And H means hash in progress. Okay. How to install and all I'll show you now. Okay. See guys, we have many packages here, right? Just install, for example, let's see whether I have tree command or not. Yeah, tree is there. Tree, I want to uninstall it. Okay, how to uninstall? RPM hyphen EVH. Okay, and then package name tree. Just give enter. Right, it is uninstalled. If you see like E means erased, erase means it will just delete all the respective files in slash lib and slash install slash bin slash sbin if there are any, right? Slash etc if there are any configuration files and all, right? V means verbose mode. It will show you step by step verbose mode what is going to do, preparing and then clean up and removing and all. If that is a big package, it will stuck there and it will just prepare for some time and it will actually clean up and it will take also some time. Hashing progress H means it will show you step by step hashes, something like this. It will go. If there are any big packages, it will show you the progress actually. It will keep on giving hashes along with the percentage. That is what hashing progress. If you want to install it, okay, rp-ivh slash mint, and then here in the packages we have package, right? Tree command package. This is how you can install. You need to give the complete path of the package because we are installing it. Once you install this, right? You know I means install, V means verbose mode, and H means hashing progress, right? So if you want to kind of uh, I mean if you want to like if you give the complete path of the package, it will install, right? If you want to uninstall, okay, we don't need to give the complete path. We just give the name of the package. Why giving the name of the package? Because it will use the Berkeley database in Linux. Internally there will be Berkeley database. Okay, Berkeley database. Okay, using this Berkeley database, whenever you install a package, it will keep an entry in the Berkeley database. That is internal to our Linux. Okay, it will keep it. So whenever you give rp-evh and then the package name here, automatically it will pick it. Automatically it will pick it and then it will remove. If you are installing, definitely you need to pass explicitly the complete path of the package using RPM. Okay, you know install, you know uninstall, right? Now you know like how to get the how to actually update, right? RPM hyphen capital UVH and then package name, package path actually. Okay, this is actually update. Okay, so even for upgrade also we use the same thing. Okay, capital UVH package path. Okay, hyphen capital U means upgrade here. What is the difference mean? Okay, 2 point I already told you, right? So 2.02, for example 2.1, if you are doing it, this will update. Okay, 2.02, for example if you are mentioning like 3.0, this is major update. Major update will be upgrade here. That is what upgrade. Okay, so there is a difference. So if you update something like this, you cannot downgrade it. There is a difference actually. Okay, next is there are many other options which are there. Okay, we'll discuss those things maybe tomorrow. Okay, so but for now, just keep these things in your mind. I'll tell you like how to uninstall these two things. How to update, how to upgrade, how to get the package information. Okay, and how to even see the files. What are all the files part of the package, and how to, for example, if you install a package, something is not working, how to reinstall that package. Okay, the other like in depth of stuff, the RPM commands we'll discuss later, maybe in next video mostly. Okay, so we'll discuss in there. This is what like all complete theory part that you need to understand. Okay, later the commands will get it, RPM commands and M commands, and how to create a local repository, how to create a client repository, how to patch the server, and all we will discuss in later sessions. Okay, so anyone have any questions, any doubts?